It's 6:30 a.m. and we just had breakfast and we're up and we're deconstructing the tent. It's poor Mathilde's first day camping in the tent with these two horrible, stinking, farting blokes. So she's taking a little bit of time to get used to it. And today is going to be, according to Nima, our mountaineering guide, is going to be significantly harder than yesterday. A lot of up and quite a bit of down on this sort of nasty, kind of rubbly sort of scree stuff. Just goes on and on. We'll be climbing up to High Camp or Sherpani Col Camp, or there's all sorts of names for it, but it's right before the Sherpani Col, which we'll be doing tomorrow. Everything's frozen. The little stream down here is frozen. I thought it was pretty warm last night. I certainly didn't have any problems with my nice winter sleeping bag. I had to strip off some of my down layers that I had on underneath. So I think it's going to be fine temperature wise. But another blue sky morning. Can see Everest in the background there and Lutzi. We've just stopped for a break here, and I must say this terrain is probably the trickiest I've seen so far, apart from the few days I've been snowbound. Just huge boulders, really steep. We've seen lots of rocks sort of scattering down. I think we're going to put our helmets on. Yeah, it's really difficult, and we're now up 5,350 meters, so very, very difficult. It's just a constant battle to get enough oxygen in your body. Well, we made it to Sherpani Col Camp, and this is, well, you can't actually see it, it's behind this big mound of rubble, but you can see this snout of the glacier here, and the col is actually just behind there. Yeah, today was really, really difficult, really dangerous, really horrible. Just these horrible rocks, constant, just like 20% of the rocks were just slipping away, and would have been a really nasty slide. Mathilde came a cropper almost a couple of times. I had a few close escapes. Nima, our mountaineering guide, took our bags a couple of times on the particularly treacherous sections, but yeah, we're here now. Significantly windier than it has been. We've got the tent pegged down with rocks, as I usually do, but yeah, really hope the tent stays in one piece overnight. And then so by the looks of the col, it actually looks in reasonably good condition. The snow looks pretty good, so with a bit of luck, so long as we can get up it okay, the plateau in the middle shouldn't be too difficult. And then of course we've got West Col as well, which is a 200 meter rappel, but as long as we can get the lines sorted out and the rappel gear doesn't cause us any problems, it shouldn't be. It's going to be a long day tomorrow, but I hope it won't be too bad. Certainly not as bad as some of the other snowbound days that I've had in the past, Lumbasumba and things like that, Nangola. Right, we're going to get something to eat and get an early night again, and a really early day tomorrow, I think, because it's a big day.